man. Jay Jones, Car Audio 1.
Yeah, we in the building. Rainology 2019.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, checking in with a little light fourth order, man. 2 Resilient Sound Gold 15s on Terramp HD-AK. I just found out this show too that I got the wrong amp. That's why everybody's got the MDs and I've got the HDs. The HD is more for mids and highs, and the MDs are more for bass. Something about a 40 hertz difference in between the boards.
Yeah.
What they can play at and where they produce the most power at.
All right.
Got a 6.5 in each door, 350 Ti PRV tweeters and all 4 pods, and 2 8s on the back wall.
Man,
And I still ain't found the song yet.
man, it's a nice build.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Did you get the new DJ Russell's flash drive?
Yeah, I got the
Okay.
latest thumb drive from him yesterday.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Got the SPL cartel thing right
Yeah,
there. Let me
SPL
get on in here,
cartel.
man. Wait to get it done over here, man.
Every single day. The club scene is filled with cats who love memes. My thug team is scatter main and slug brains. Chris and Greg could it be my buddies with slug beams. Joe and Nicky Caddy Matty open your bloodstreams. Break your brothers, break your break. One eye to face with paint. The way I make the racer. So he takes back the nation. I ain't gonna talk about your girl, man. Tell them what I know about the girl thing. How you looking in this city in your kitty? Take it with me, get no more in grits. I know how this might sound. I heard you rumors keeping them coming with funny clowns. Make it funny now, or else you can put it down. Why am I even talking to you right now?
What's up, man?
Yeah, man. They see that 1,000. I want you to get a shot of that, man. Can you see it right here on this woofer right here? Say 1,000 watts right there.
Yeah. Hey, you metered it yet?
53.8.
53.8?
Yeah, 53.8.
What frequency?
37.
37.
37.
What's up, man? Can I see that?
Yes, sir. Same went ahead and through the, after I got my terminals, I got stiffed on my terminals by a dude on Facebook, so I finally got with Jim. He was able to ship me some terminals out. So I did the front battery delete, threw that back here, and threw this all in, man, basically about, I don't know, a couple days, really.
Yeah.
And I've been beating on it ever since, man. But
That's
coming from that AGM to that lithium is just, it's crazy, bro.
It's
I mean,
a
I had
clean
the game.
build.
Yeah, I appreciate you, man.
Yeah.
And like I said, this is going to be totally different. Like, next couple videos you see on YouTube,
Yeah.
just take me some simple 2x4s, cut them and put them here, cut them a little longer back here, and throw me a board diagonal. And then I'm going to have the amps kind of floating right here with all the wires coming up through.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So you won't see none of that, you
Okay.
know, because I mean, it looks okay, but it could look better.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
know, definitely. So,
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. 1,000 RMS on them woofers, man. You see the way I beat them.
Beating up on, man. Man, I sure appreciate it, man. I've been waiting to get a demo from this thing, man,
Yeah,
ever since
man.
I've been on your channel.
I'm happy to actually
Yeah.
see you, man, and
Yeah.
see that you made it here safely. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
And all this is just bonus. You know what I mean?
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man. No
Thanks for
problem
the
at
demo,
all.
brother.
No problem, man. Papa, check that out, man.
Oh, so this is Papa. He's been looking for you for a while.
Yeah, I have.
live. KDE on the board. I see you, boy.
Doing 60s and touching titties. It's DJ Rustical.
This shit is just so ignorant. So fucking ignorant. Yeah. The VIP.
Man, that sounds great. What you got in there?
I got 2 RS Gold 15s.
Okay. All right, cool. What you running on?
2 cab, 2 case.
All right, cool. Can I see that?
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Excuse the spaghetti mix.
Oh, you're good, man.
Fixed it yesterday here in the parking lot.
Hey, as long as it works. That's the main thing. The limitless power back there. Did you in any contest on the air ride?
No.
No, okay. All right, cool.